Welcome to my YouTube video. Today I put together a couple of clips of some of this old wood that I cut on this old homemade sawmill. As you see here, here's a slice of wood that a friend of mine gave me a chunk actually that was about 5 foot long, and we just put it on a sawmill, cut a couple slices out of it, and we turned it into a really nice corner table that you'll see in later part of this video. It is mesquite wood. It's been sitting for, I guess anywhere from, he said 10 to 12 years, stacked on a pile there behind his home, and he was going to burn it, so he asked me if I wanted it. And I said, sure, I'll pick it up and bring it home and put it on this old sawmill, see if I can do anything with it. The old sawmill is a homemade sawmill, but it does a good job for what we use it for. You never know what you're going to get until you cut a slab or a stump or a piece of log. It's amazing what the inside looks like on a lot of this stuff. Just never know until you get it cut and you open it up. Here we're showing just a couple of shots of some of the slabs I've cut and pieces I've cut. You'll see that chunk that's in the middle of the floor there by the gas tank. That is what I cut that slab off of. That's what it looked like prior to cutting. And here shortly you'll see the finished product that we made for the corner table. That is just some old slabs that I cut and just put in the corner of the shed there to protect them from the weather. We'll eventually work with them. That's an old stump that we cut up. Unfinished product, but we'll get it on the sawmill, finish it up later. There again, that's just that old chunk of wood that we cut the slab off of. Some of this stuff turns out really, really nice. You just never know, like I said, until you actually cut it. Again, and we're back to the old sawmill. Blocks all over the place where I had that stump sitting on them. Nothing fancy, nothing high tech. Hey, now we got to the table that I made out of that piece of wood. It is amazing. You wouldn't think that it would look that nice until you actually get it finished. I found the old base at a garage sale for $25, so that added something to it. I'm not really crazy about the color that I combined with it, that gray, but yeah, we might just repaint that a different color. Need something to make the tabletop actually pop. And I don't think gray is going to do it. We lost some of the edge on that slice there because it was soft, and we took a brush and a Holy Galahad and cleaned it up the best we could, but it's pretty solid the rest of the way around. Put about 7 coats of polyurethane on that. Now we're just back showing some of the slices we cut, some of the wood we're working with. I'm going to be working on a table for our kitchen the next couple of weeks. If I get a chance, I'll shoot some videos of that. It's going to be a little more time consuming and a lot more work, but the wife wants a cedar table for the kitchen. Coming up is nothing but some old mesquite slabs that I cut. These are from 2011 or 2007 when the Hurricane Dolly came through our area here. They've been sitting out in front of the warehouse here drying since then. Some of these slabs are pretty nice. This has a lot of cracks and splits. Great for an epoxy finish job. Hey folks, if we did any good